Hey you guys, we're going to show y'all Briley's cute, adorable, awesome little playhouse bedroom thing. We are currently living in our garage, but that's a whole nother story for a whole nother video for a whole nother day. It's wonderful though, we're loving it so far. Yeah, so this is a DIY playhouse made out of styrofoam. The 4x8 panels, they have it at like Lowe's and Home Depot. It's insulation. It's like 2 inches thick. The white is like 1/2 inch thick. I just cut that in like 1 foot strips, and then I think they used a roll of tape for a guide to cut these out so they'd all kind of be the same. And then we painted it pale pink and went around all the windows and stuff just with white duct tape, like trim, and contact paper on the door. Riley, you want to show them the inside? It's like 6 feet tall. I can totally stand up in there. I play in here all the time with her. I love it too. Here's the inside. She decorated it all by herself. This is her own little space. We thought she needed her own little room in the garage because we have it set up like a garage apartment. It's just like one big open room, except for the bathroom. You gotta have a bathroom. So we did. We just built her this little bed out of like 4x4 and some 1x that we had. And the mattress is skinny. It's not quite a twin. It's the like skinny twins that come in campers. I stole the mattresses out of, I think, the white camper when we tore the bunk beds out, and just double them up. And then I put a 2-inch memory foam topper on it. It's super comfortable. I love her bed. And then she's got her squishmallows and stuff, of course. The headboard is just a piece of butcher block I had left over from one of our flip houses. Actually, this is a sinkhole cut out from one of the countertops that we did, and it worked perfect for her little headboard. And then we just did the polka dot stickers from Amazon. I think you can get like 500 of them for like $6 or something. She picked out this pale pink color for her walls. And then she's got her little desk, her cute little pink computer chair. She sits in here and draws all the time. She's an artist. That's her cool little nightlight. All of her decor, all of this stuff, the lamp, the basket, all this stuff, this cute little tray, the rainbow. This is all from Dollar General Market, y'all. They have the cutest stuff. And her little owl, Alexa, she jams out in here sometimes. Oh, it heard me. It's gonna start playing. Alexa, off. And then she's got some more toys. We got this guy, pull my finger monkey game. That's fun. And she wanted to keep her Christmas tree up. I'm like, yes, girl. You do you. If you want your Christmas tree up all year, I love it. She picked all these out. I think these were from Walmart. Look how cute they are. Perfect. No, probably it's the Easter tree. It's got bunny rabbits on it. We just thought of that. There it is. We got these panels. They're 4x8 sheets. Let's see. I think I can't remember how much they are at Lowe's and Home Depot, but we got them from a place because they had like flaws, like they have like a line in the middle of them or something. Totally no big deal. We got them for like $15 each. And I think we got the white ones. They're 4x8 sheets too. I think we got those for like $6. So I think, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm trying to add up how many panels we used. I know we didn't use more than 10. So we have maybe $250 in this whole Playhouse thing, and it's huge. It's 8 by 8. It's 6 feet tall in the middle. She loves it. She plays in there all the time. She sleeps in there every night. I love that she has her own little space. It's cute. Y'all build you one. Love you. Bye.